there! I'm going to show how to draw a penguin squishy, and it's going to look like this. Okay, so have the top reference points right here, and just kind of come down and a little bit wider at the bottom. There we go. And the top arch there. Okay, now about 1/3 down to make a triangle sort of nose, and then just slightly above that you're going to draw a line like that, and then right here on the side you're going to have this little arch for the eyes with the cute little lashes on the end. Now this is going to be your reference point right here on each side of this line. You're going to go up and around like so. Do the same over here. And then you're going to come down around the bottom like so. Kind of have, look at that. And right here, you're going to make little triangles like for the cute little arms. And then you just put a cute little heart right here. And that's it. Please give a like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Bye.